friends, I got an awesome review to share with you today. It's this electric portable power washer, 450 PSI. It's got 26 feet of hose on here, which is on a reel. You can reel it up. It's got a power button right here, adjustable PSI with min and max. You have many different nozzles, 0, 15, 25, and 40. Comes with a washing mat, a foam sprayer, another car mat, power nozzles, some more couplers, Teflon tape, and directions. This thing is awesome. It can power wash patios, decks, boats, cars, anything that you need to get the job done with. Look no further than this power washer. Let's get to work. Very easy to change out the nozzles. We're gonna go ahead and put this foam gun on, foam up the boat here. Very easy. This is 105 to 125 volts, 4,500 PSI. Go ahead and put whatever nozzle you want, whatever degree, and start power washing. If you're in the market for a power washer, look no further than this. It's fantastic, does the job, took the grime and scum right off the boat. Hopefully you enjoy this review. Thanks for watching.